solving for x, but it's complex, by MaskedMathsEZ. Okay, so first example, 3x over 1 is equal to 7. We must find x, and therefore we must times by 1 each side. And this is because we must get rid of the dividing sign to get x on its own. And that gives you 3x is equal to 7. Now to find x, all you have to do is divide by 3 both sides. And this is so we can have x on its own. And that simply gives you 7 over 3. For example, 2x over 4x minus 3 is equal to 2. We must first get rid of the dividing sign. And to do that, we have to do the inverse. And the inverse of dividing is timesing. And therefore we times 4x minus 3 each side. And therefore that would give you 2x is equal to, remember, write 2 bracket 4x minus 3 bracket. And this is because we must expand. And first we do 2 times 4x, and that gives you 8x. And 2 times minus 3 gives you minus 6. And this is because whilst timesing a negative with a positive, it'll give you a negative. And so therefore 2x is equal to 8x minus 6 after getting rid of 4x minus 3. And now we must get all the x's on one side together. And to do this, we can minus 8x each side. That'll give you minus 6x is equal to minus 6. To get x on its own, all you have to do is divide by minus 6. Therefore, minus 6 divided by minus 6 results in 1, and therefore x is equal to 1. And now we can substitute. So 2 times 1, which is x, over 4 times 1 minus 3. And once simplified, that gives you 2 over 4 minus 3, which gives you 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is equal to 2. That's all for today. See you in the next.